moral judgment reason alone. So for Kant, he believes that when we wish to determine the moral status of action, we consult reason. So for us now to know if our action is good, we will always go back to the question, kung unsa, kung ano ba yung reason mo para, kung ano ang reason mo behind that action. Is your intention is good or bad? So if it is bad, then that is moral for Kant ethics. So Immanuel Kant didn't agree to other philosophers that happiness is the moral or the highest good. So why? Because for him that happiness daw is maaaring masaya ka pero the reason kung bakit ka masaya is hindi tama. For example, masaya ka kasi marami kang pera, pero ang reason kung bakit masaya dahil marami kang pera. Pero ang reason bakit marami kang pera ay dahil ninakaw mo ito. So, for Kant, that is not the highest good, the happiness. Then, who is a good person or a person of good will? For Kant, it is a person who acts from a sense of duty, not just doing good things. The intention and motivation behind that action matter most. So, halimbawa, exam, tas yung pasugaman yung kaklase para makapasa siya. So, is it moral according to Kant? And why? Listen, for Kant, the intention what matter the most, regardless of the outcome. So, if kipasuganin mo imong kaklase, kay gusto nimo siya nga makapasa, for Kant, that is moral. Pero ang way ato kay para maging maging lazy nga maging tamad para mag-study, dili siya moral. Pero for Kant, moral na siya. So Kant emphasizes the importance of motivation and intention over consequences. Ito ginsabi ko kanina. Can an action be morally good if the consequences are bad? Can an action be morally good if the consequences are bad? No. Can an action be morally good if the consequences are bad?
Depends. Yes.
Yeah. Ito kan. Sa iyang ethics. Can an action be morally good if the consequences are bad?
According to Kant.
Sa iyang ethics.
Yes.
Why?
Intention na niya ginagawa siya lang kasi kung nag-irong ka.
Okay.
Basta para sa
So, let's proceed to categorical imperative. The categorical imperative is a moral principle that helps us determine right from wrong by considering the universal implications of our actions. So, in categorical imperative,